already.
So we got a 2011 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive, and it has a broken ABS sensor on the driver's side rear tire wheel. The passenger side is almost exactly the same, except it's on the back of the axle instead of this one's on the front of the axle. So here's a quick how-to on fixing it. So right here you can see the wire is busted off, but otherwise we take off this little 10mm nut right down here. Oh, looks like a nut, but it's a bolt nut. And then we should be able to pull this right out. It's got some goobers on the end of it. That's weird. Then we take the new one, stick it back in that same hole. Oh, it's got an O-ring on there, so. It's tight. And then you put that nut back in. Nutty bolt. Let me grab a screwdriver real quick. So on the back here, there's a little pry spot, maybe. And that broken out piece comes out, and then we should just be able to plug this right back in, like that. All done. Here's the passenger side one on the back of the axle. You just take out that little bolt and take off the plug and it pulls out just like the other side did.